Well then, yeah then, my people, job people, blessed love. This is Daniel Marshall. They up on the infrastructure work. But they out there saw little bit the past bore, little bit of past bore up on the Sandy Gully Bridge. And I spin the camera around. So, we're there look on the market house and the marketplace so across the road. So. Over there, so Usain Bolt have them trucks and records. Alright. Entertainment zone, entertainment spot, whole heap of eating place over there. Not about drinking place. Very classy. Alright, so see Sandy Gully Bridge there. Alright. And yeah, them don't know a Constant Spring Road is. So we are go past Westminster Road further down the line there, so. And the thing I do now, I go down, I go check out some. I check out a fridge. Yes, man, a fridge. Miss Marsha says she want to buy a brand new fridge because she seriously planned to come home from the United States, come at least live here at Jamaica for a while, for most of the time, at least 3 months. But you know, just start making the tracks to forward back home, and you know. Me there I try to convince a whole heap of the item my brothers, you know, live over there in the diaspora. To come home. And me I check and me I say about Jamaica no pay money, you can't make no money at Jamaica and thing. But then again, walking down the street, look on the multitude of car them. Take a good look on the multitude of car. And them are clean. Remember one time I hear chippy and whole car. Mostly we use us on the road. Even when we first started out doing this vlogging thing, we don't see no more chippy whole car up on the road, no more. So I realize that something are going on, man. People are maintain. Yeah, man, that's true. People really are maintain. Some people really make a good amount of money working, and some it's just not. But as you can see the prosperity, man, for the vehicle. And then a beer bike, everybody have a car and bike nowadays. There's something that really go on. I comparing your yard, you will all pay, if you pay $100,000 a rent, a month for rent. I want big place that I know, I want whole house that you know. And then when you look at it, you know, I know some people overseas right now pay $3,000 a month for rent and mortgage. 1,800, 2,000 plus, and so you know how much $3,000 US dollar, almost 400,000 Jamaican dollar, a whole heap of thing that can do, you know. You think a joke? Anyway, my people, we just stop on a little side and a little bit, express some of the thing there, and we'll make our way down. I'm gonna check out some of the Arab store there. I want a small fridge, same like the one I get there from my virgin. Big up yourself, Iceberg. Yeah, man, bless up you. Yeah. So Miss Marshall, the wife, decides that boy she wants a brand new fridge in her place. So I'm going to go look for one and say and make you know. So that I'm going to do, I'm going to check out a few stores down on the plaza there, further down, and I go down there and I go. Alright, on this a pre-Independence Day, a Friday. So here's some celebration thing I go on in a Mandela Park, so you know. You see, as early as I come out here, I'm not going to stay out too late. But we'll see what I go on later on. Alright, so please do enjoy the videos and enjoy the talent of the music that I'm putting out this evening. Yeah, man, big up yourself. And Clive McFarlane, bless up yourself, everybody. See, yeah, man, the Daniel Marshall of the money, man, a be a brand new furniture and thing, but buy putting at that. Classy. Alright, brother, blessed. Yeah, man. Classy things, a joke. Saying, but for right now, I help myself. Saying, because what these things is doing now is helping me, giving me a guide how to situate and set the things, the furniture, the etiquette in the house. Saying, because normally you don't have no idea how to decorate the house or to set the things and too much. You might know how to put this and put this. But that's what I figure out. That's what I'm getting the final right now. I'm going to get the final what specifically needed, what can work from what won't work. Because at home, not just develop, so. Sometimes it takes years for the house really develop properly the right way. See, and they them don't know, say a brand house, a new brand house, and I just build, and I still build it. See, and I give thanks so I can build the furniture, build what I ever need for use because looking very good to start. And every man and everybody can help themselves. Cook here, man. The traffic get thicker now. So I want to hear them just full joy the music them I put on the video. Saying listen to the talent and the thing. You're there if you need jingles, you need a set of commercial for you. You need a record a song for you, you have a label, you have a radio station, whatever the cause is, saying, yeah, you're deaf on the grind. You have your house to fix it.
IRS hardcore. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Words of wisdom, words of truth, with a word to the spiritual kingsman. Rastafari speaks to you. Yeah, knowing that material and spiritual progress are essential to man, we must ceaselessly work for the equal attainment of both. Only then shall we be able to acquire that absolute inner calm so necessary to our well-being whenever conflict arises between material and spiritual values. The conscience plays an important role, and anyone who suffers from a guilty conscience is never really free from this problem until he make peace with himself and his conscience. Discipline of mind is a basic ingredient of genuine morality. Therefore, for spiritual strength,
yeah, man, alright then, my people. So we're there, Westminster Road, there, stand up, you know. Get the item, I look outside nice street at Jamaica, yeah. I'm just turn the camera up on Westminster Road, yeah. So the item can see traffic, and I come down. I don't know, Westminster Road carry all over around on the Oak Road, yeah. Governor House, Devon House, Papine area. All up of them places there. University. You understand me? Yeah, man, Westminster Road there, all around the background and New Kingston and all them places there. See?
We should
tolerate the line of traffic that come from up there.
Side by side.
And the line of traffic don't go
other faiths in the mystic tradition.
Let's get the item I want to prepare out in Jamaica. And it's a pre-independence day.
Let me say this again.
Yeah, man.
Because many people think that King Selassie is against all.
I love doing that. Something I love for those. I love to know for the item of full giant. And I'm a giant. Watch the
destined for him.
See what I want in the interior of Jamaica. See, we turn the camera back up on Kansas
of God.
Alright, it's a whole heap of long line of traffic the same way.
Those are what I
stand up right in front of Minister of Justice.
The mystic tradition.
See there?
Different religion.
So they are the know exactly
unity of spirit
with that. Saying, yeah, man.
Religion.
So that's what the thing is.
Or profess they are spiritual kingsmen, while the different religion in their historical forms bind us to limit the groups and militate against the development of loyalty to the world community. The mystic, yes, the mystic have already stood for the fellowship of humanity. The mystic already stood for the fellowship of humanity, my friend. In harmony with the spirit optimistic of ages gone by. No one should question the fate of others, for no human being can judge the ways of God. Give thanks and praise. Give thanks and praise. Words of wisdom, words of truth to all the spiritual kings, man.
Yeah, man, the people are say traffic stay at this time.
IRS hardcore. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Words of wisdom, words of truth. We are boy to the spiritual kings, man. Rastafari speaks to you. Yeah, knowing that material and spiritual progress.
This one, like me interested in that, you know. No, because about the ice maker and yeah.
Only then
7th flat.
shall we be able to acquire that absolute inner calm, so necessary to our well-being whenever conflict arises.
And them smaller than they say.
42 and 32.
Conscience
42 and 32. Them not an ice maker.
guilty conscience is never really free
So it's one
from this
day.
problem until he make peace.
Then frost up too.
Yeah, man,
And this is the only one in the frost. It's the best one then.
Discipline.
And Mr. Fan, it's frost now getting a bad odor and anything.
No.
Ingredients.
you're not going to frost up none of that.
Yeah.
I'm saying, can I have a figure?
Spiritual strength.
Yeah.
Now be up like that.
You're not gonna build up no ice.
Spiritual power is eternal guide. In
Alright
this
then
life,
hopefully me make a truck on the road, me go check another store. And
man runs,
you say 70, right?
Yeah,
Alright.
above all creatures,
Alright, so blessing, yeah?
led
Yeah.
forward by spiritual
Alright, people,
power.
so it's a good look.
Man can reach
Not
summit
quite a few
destiny
big ones,
by
but the
way
small ones
of
are
great
very
Jah,
interesting.
Jah, Jah, Rastafari.
I know, but I'll bet on them thing and that, you
Praise
know.
is unto the Selassie. As we continue. Since nobody can
And the right have a Kansas Spring Road there. You can see it.
we should tolerate.
Alright then, you're not gonna push your way too much. Give a thanks. Make the item see place again where it located. Because you don't know how we have to do with things same way, you know, because we're exposed. See them build up a new entertainment place for this all about vegetable and thing. It's a good thing that we pass over there, right over there some of the items. But first, before we do that, let me give the item a shot out of the place again. See that? One stop furniture. See 30D Constance Road. Them about phone number up there and sitting there. So the item now if you ask me a question, see South Avenue right there, so alright, a Constance Road that go down the same way, so Fifth Avenue the right over there, so the item can see. And see there again, the phone number there and thing there. Saying, yeah man, so you don't know, sir, we are putting in work, you know, we deserve the thing. I walk over here so see all the fruits, man. We are going to give the item a glance side, because we don't know a thing go. Yeah. Because the place I just set up, you know. Ah, sick. Bless you. Entertainment place that over there, so. What them do over there, so? Shows and them something there? Restaurants and bar. We take a one people over there, the item, see. Food smell good, Jaja. See me, I search and discover the place there. See there? They must stop entertainment thing there. See me, I search and discover the things that the item can know. See there? Nice settings on. Lord God, they get serving to. Whoa. Yeah, man, a nice setting. The foreigners, man, may I tell you, see? So the item don't know. See there, watch out. Jaja. Jaja. Jaja, we can. Yo, the place nice. It's nice. It's really nice. Jaja. So we just search and find out the place that I'm here. Yeah, man. It's all the foreign, all the diaspora people. I met the item now. So it's a whole lot of fruits. So. See? Let me just stay so I'm zoom in a bit since nobody knows me yet. Alright, we now overdo the thing with people. See, bless them. We now overdo it because I don't know how the thing said so, but me just make the item know. South Avenue just right over there, so Constant Spring Road, this just past Usain Bolt place up the road. See? Yes, so alright, so yeah man. Man, it's 70 grand for the fridge and no frost. See? So I'm going to check out if it's a good buy. Yes or not. I'm going to check our next store down the road. Yes. Or maybe about 2 more stores down the road. See? Highly up. Yeah, man, out nice streets of Jamaica. Nice, though. And we even got rock over courts there and see what go on, where courts are going with, so we can know. Because if courts price stay away now, we can know the balance. Because courts usually have some huge price for the thing them, you know, so courts are the foundation, so we find out from courts what go on. It's a 70 grand there, one good buy, see? It's a bless up.
Somebody glitch out, hallelujah.
Yes, sir, courts are there.
Hallelujah. God is good. God is good. Ta. Somebody should be at 10 past just so hallelujah. Hey! I'm trying to press them on, the touch them on, the
I'm alright, some people, so we're down here in our courts, you know. And I start from the lowest end, yes sir. And we just look on doors where we fit. Me, my size, my kitchen, and things, see. We still show there them 1 and 2 big one, them, because we don't know the things, sir. I'm not interested in them small one there. When we just look on it with the items, you see price upon it. Alright, this not look like kind of my style. Call it 50,000. And this a frosty. I'm not interested in that. This one a 79,000, call it 80,000. And it's a frosty one with an ice maker still, but it's frosty. So that means the one that we may get a one good one, you know. This could work. So I could see inside it. It had the fun of it back, that means it's not frosty. But yeah, and it make ice too. But see the price on it. It's about the same size, more stylier than the one. But also more stylish, but the price there. It's 76. And it's a bi-weekly. See, and with cash, see there with GCT, 87,000. There them can see it. Alright? And you can see that one here. Call this 80,000, call it 88,000 when it's done. And it have the no frost same way, because you can see it. Remember what the brother say? You want them with the fan eye back no frosty. So that's it. That one is same as that one there. I'm going to look at taller. That's the feed price there. Alright. So and then go all the way to our kind of price. See? See, it's up at the no frost thing, or the no frost, I look like them. No frost and ice maker. See, Bridget saying we give me for $70,000. That means that my ball him down, look come on, I still can't get him, come down on it. See, next thing I look on again, you know what I look on? I look on the AC. Some of the AC there, man. Alright, see smallest one there, yeah. 65,000. You know the quality of it is still enough. You check out the brand that me say we can do a research on it down. Alright, so next I see price here. I put line up the label in because I see where we can do a research on them. So what I want. Alright. So the price from them that. See. So then we have the two leaves. The leaves one is 65,000 card. One time GCT and all them taxes down for the yard for 70,000. And the good thing about it you know, if you pay for no transportation if you just a taxi or bus person. See it. So and the one LG and it's up for 88,000. So that's a good look. See all them big giant look on this. Big every giant that's in my word. Is it what I'm going? For the $400,000 when you're done with that. Yeah. It depends on your family and the house and the space that you have. So yeah, me kind of cool with who do my deal with them. Alright, so see the price of the AC. And we see the price of the fridge. Alright, so I'll check another store, alright? So I'm gonna balance, blessed love. And you don't know, say a cord swing, alright? You know, look on a big TV. You know, reach us yet. Alright? Yeah, man, blessed. Believe me, my intention is to buy brand new something put in there. But for now, like me say, finding reason to put some things on me while me have the time. I can build them, I have the things on my time that not cost me much. I do what I can do, I help myself. This will give me a guiding how to properly set the real things and when you get the brand new things and when you buy them, alright? Yeah man, bless you.
Easy music.
Me always a complain all the time. Cha, you're a nigga in my ears, sir. Cha! Miserable woman, cool it down. Miserable woman, control your sound. This honorable woman. I tell you, we can't believe it. Just going to our appliance store across the road and there's a whole bunch of girls there. Seriously, agent. But it's a thing, Virgin, because you don't know, but me have the camera in my hand still, you know, and I recognize me have video to the thing still. But you know, the main interest is as if them are the item. When I think like them are the item, like the boy I just. Yes, so I say, oh, that's a tropical plaza over there, you know. You don't want to depict not any one store because I'm the first store I'm going on. In a city where you find maybe one or two or maybe more young, beautiful women as sales agent. Seeing and me as a male, you know, them kind of start show some shy business, some kind of shunning business as if most of the male as I and I, you see me? Because I just some stereotypical thing I go around here. It's like say, boy, them are the inches, them are the item, and them man look. But then me have to say, it's a fridge me I check, but I need, you understand me? I say, what price range them? I mean, I sure the whole night say, so and so price range me I look for. See, what is like a shy thing, it's like a thing I go. That's you know, if you're a sales agent, you're a sales agent. You understand me? You did have to sell a product, and even if, yeah, babes, but I real biz, even if the store the right over there, Right at the corner over there, son.
Control
See, I don't know
yourself.
which one over there, Samson
This
store,
and
which
the
one, they're right at the corner. Yeah, say, even if the man come in and take on a liking, are you did ever sell a product? See, sell the product, that's the most important thing. Even if the person like nice, even if the person take a liking, and you have to be nice to the customer. You understand me? You have to be extra nice to the customer. Moreover, them take on a liking still. You know, see, that shows that you can convince the person to buy the product. Because that's where you get employed in the store. But judge, yo, me say, me not tell you, me just get upset and say, Jano, you know, excuse me, coming at me in the wrong store. You know, me move on to the next store because, you know, not show me the shy thing, more you show me fervent and confident and genuine love and all them kind of things, you know, see the genuineness. So I can buy, and nothing like you try to force me into a buy or anything like that, you know, give me nothing to be turned up. So I know. Just, anyway, I go down the road and say I find the next store. But me think the first one there, I go on. But in the first store that I'm going on, and the Virgin give me the price, I think I best thing that for work with. Well, again, it's the same thing with people. See the store behind me? Yeah, it's kind of the same thing. It's a whole bunch of girls in there, a sales personnel, and then again they don't have they don't have the small kind of fridge, small fridge with the ice dispenser and non-frosted. All right then, well then, yeah then, my people. Without further delay, with the Premier Plaza, yeah, sir. Just a little bit below Tropical Plaza. And what thing I'm gonna show the item, the handmade, authentic, handmade leather slippers them. That is being handmade, seeing if me have the opportunity and the chance, more ask the salesperson them or whoever around the business some of the prices to make the item know. But me think that thing yeah something where the item probably go need some people have importance in the authentic leather slippers them. Seeing but so without further delay I'm gonna pass through with my phone so the item can view one and see and think. Alright. But remember the era with them there, you know. Right, that's so. You know, half which here, off a Constant Spring Road, Tropical Plaza and Premier Plaza. See, so we'll give the item a view of the slippers them. Alright, some of the slippers them, man. Alright. Just so the item can see and know place with them there. Very beautiful handmade slippers. See? So the item can pass through and ask the prices them on them. Nice designs and everything, man and woman made. I like them up as some not telling a lie. Them are kind of build away. Only for nice design and thing. comfortable wear, you know. Yeah, but I'm here alone working. Why price on them, Dada? Why price on them? I want me a bang 3-5 up the line. Run 3-5 up the line. Yeah. 9. 9 for them, Oh. Yeah, them kind of. I was 7,000. 7,000. You build a man style too. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Nice, man. Make one here. Guys, the weekend. Well, which one you like? The one with the back. Yeah, them kind of style them like to. Can make it up on 3-5 up. Alright then. Next time. Next time. Alright, some people 3-5 up. That's not bad. And the thing about it too, you can get him to make it the style where you want. That's a good thing. So I can design the thing, I can design my thing how I want it. And have him create it for me. Yeah. Alright, bless up. Alright again, my people. Thanks again for watching everything. Seeing Daniel Marshall there upon the infrastructure work. Just I show the items of my things that they out there in a yard, yeah. Seeing and we go on the pre-independence day. Seeing, yeah man, bless up. Give thanks everybody. Much love. Stay well, stay safe, and in balance. And me see the item in our next video. Yeah man.